This cat found abandoned squirrels near the guest house in the countryside, and every morning he plays and runs with them to spend time together.
I'm going on during this time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away, you're driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody